Hello friends, in this video we will discuss Leetcode first question, that is to sum. What the question says, given an array of integer nums and an integer target, we have to return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to that target. And there is also given that we can assume that there is only exact one solution. So the this thing has been taken care in the test cases. Okay, and now we have to return the indices of those two numbers. So let's see. Here we have the array 2, 7, 11, and 15. Target, which is 9. And let's do the indexing 0, 1, 2, and 3. So if we see that 2 plus 7 is making 9. So what we have to return? We have to return 0, comma 1. These indices we have to return. So what the brute force come into mind? That let's traverse up to the whole array. So for int I equal to 0 up to the length of this array, which is 4. So we will go from 0 to 3. And then for each I, again go int j equal to I plus 1 up to the length of this array up to n. Here it will be the up to 3 included. Okay. And then we will check for each pair if let's give the name of this array as num. So if num I plus num j equal to target, then what we will do? We will return these indices I and j as answer. Okay, so this is the brute force approach. It will go in the n square time complexity, but let's code it. Okay, so let me code. So int n equal to nums dot size for int I equal to 0, comma I is less than, comma I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j is less than n, comma j plus plus. Okay, if it will go from the I plus 1. Okay, and if nums of I plus nums of j equal to target, then we have to return the answer. So let's also initialize the answer vector into answer. So what we will do, answer dot pushback I and answer dot pushback j, and we will break it and then return answer. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, run for some more test cases. Okay, try to submit it. Okay, it has gone submitted. But if we observe carefully that the time complexity is going in the n square, as it is tagged as the easy question, and if I see the constraints, then the nums dot length is going up to 10 to the power 4 only. So in n square, it is not giving clearly. But if the nums length have gone up to 10 to the power 9, then it will give the TLE. So let's see that how we can optimize this. Okay. So we can optimize this with the help of the map. Map means some by using some storage. By using some storage. Okay. So let's take the array again. That was 2, 7, 11, 15. Okay, and the target was 9. Okay, so what we'll do that we will go from here. It is 2, and we will try to find, and here it is map. We will try to find is target minus, okay, is target means 9 minus 2 is available in this map or not. If it is available, then we work on answer. Then we work on answer. Otherwise, what we will do if this value is not present in the map already, in this map already, then what we will do? We will push. We will push the index of this value, the index of this value, and move further. So how we will write algorithm for it? Let's see. So in the C++ HTL, we can simply initiate the map as unordered map and end comma int, and let's say give it name as empty. So how to we will do it? For int I equal to 0, and we will go up to the n, the size of this array, and then we will check is target minus, if target minus num I is present in, is present in map. So if it is present in the map, then what we will do? We will take the value of, means that value is present in map, so let call it the diff. So diff. So if this diff is present in the map, then we will take the index of a diff, so index of that diff, and the current I value as answer. Otherwise, if it is not present, then what we will do? We will simply store the value, that value which is at this num I position. So num I position, that value, and corresponding to that, as in the key value format, we will store that index 2. so that when we come here, in this case, we can easily find out that index. Okay, so I hope the approach is clear to all of you. And if you are not aware about unordered map, then you simply can go and study about the unordered map in C++ HTL. It comes inside C++HTL. Okay, so now let's code this approach too. So let me reset it. Now, answer or not, it will be vector int answer, vector int answer, or int I equal to 0, comma I is less than n, comma I plus plus, but I haven't initialized the n yet, so let's initialize it. Int n equal to nums dot size, and then and also let's initialize the unordered map. Unordered map and comma int mp, and here if target or let's take int diff equal to target minus nums I. Okay. If mp dot find diff, if this diff is already present in a map, then it will not go up to end of the map. So what we will do, we will simply answer dot push back mp diff. So mp diff corresponding value corresponding to difference in the mp map, the index of this value has been stored. So otherwise, else what we will do, map and corresponding to nums I, we will store the I. Okay, and here we also push the this current I, push back I. Okay, and break it, and then turn the answer. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, let's run for some more test cases. And now submit it. Okay, now I hope all of you have understood the approach as well as the code. Thank you.